Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the new special oven recipe in Qixi Fair oven in Heartopia. So in this new oven, the Qixi Fair, you can get new recipe like this, the Qiaoguo recipe. And to get this recipe and cook this recipe is very easy. First, you just need to open the Qixi Fair oven at the club icon, this one, and then just tap on Qixi Fair, and then just tap on Start, and then in here just tap on Extend Store, and then scroll down, and then just use this recipe, the Qiaoguo food recipe. And then in here you need 10 orchids to buy it, so make sure you have enough orchids on here. You can get the orchids from Play the Qixi Fair on here, and then after you get the enough orchids, just buy this recipe. Just tap on purchase, confirm, and just like that you will get this recipe. And then after that, just simply go to your stove and then just search for the recipe that you just purchased. Wait, where's my recipe? This one, Qiaoguo. And in here you need wheat to it that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and you need egg that you can get it from Chef Massimo, and then in here you need cooking oil. Like this, just complete all the ingredients like this, and just like that, after that just simply tap start cooking, and then just wait for the process, just cook the food, and just like that you will successfully unlock this new recipe, the special recipe for this juicy oven, the Qiaoguo. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.